How to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to enable disappearing messages in your chats. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the Messenger or DM icon at the bottom and open the conversation where you want to enable disappearing messages. Now, tap the person's name at the top of the chat to open chat settings. Select Disappearing Messages. Here, you'll see options for how long messages should remain visible after they're seen. Depending on your Instagram version, you may see options like after they're seen, 24 hours, or 7 days. Tap the option you want to use. After that, go back to the chat, and Instagram will notify both participants that disappearing messages have been enabled. You or the other person can return to the chat settings at any time and change or turn off the disappearing message duration. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Vanish mode or disappearing messages on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.